Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Today I want to talk about how to get the MAC address of your computer in Windows. So what you're going to do is go to the bottom left hand side, right click on the start button and click on Windows PowerShell Admin. So you can think of Windows PowerShell as like a more powerful version of Microsoft DOS. It can allow a lot more commands, a lot more scripting abilities, and so on. So what you're going to type in is you're going to type in get -net adapter. Okay, if you simply type that in, you will see all the network interface cards on your computer. Okay, so you can see I have a Wi-Fi USB plugged in, so that's not really inside the computer, it's just a USB Wi-Fi dongle, and Ethernet, which is part of my motherboard connection, so I could plug a blue cable into my computer to get a more permanent network connection. And this is the MAC address. Okay, so what is the MAC address? If you want to know a bit more theory about it, feel free to keep watching. Otherwise, this is the MAC address that you were looking for your computer. So a MAC address is a permanent ID, a permanent identification number for your network device. So anytime you connect to the internet with this Wi-Fi dongle, so if I take off the Wi-Fi dongle, okay, so this little thing here is my Wi-Fi dongle. Okay, very little. All right, and if I run this command again, it's gone. Okay, because I'm holding it. So this Wi-Fi dongle has this MAC address. Okay, so anytime I slot this into a computer and I connect that computer to the internet, it will have this MAC address showing on the server as the MAC address of the device that's connecting to the internet. So I have plugged the Wi-Fi dongle back on my computer, and if I run this again, you can see this Wi-Fi device is now back with this MAC address. Okay, so why is it important? Why is it important to have a MAC address? Okay, why is it important? So I'm going to show you that in the next video, where I connect to my Wi-Fi router, where it displays all the devices and their MAC addresses. So see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.